Midjourney or Stable Diffusion. So Stable Diffusion XL, if you have a good GPU, you can run this locally. But if you don't, you can just access it through ClipDrop. So clipdrop.co/Stable Diffusion. That allows you to use Stable Diffusion just on a web browser, just like Midjourney can, without needing to go through Discord channels and things like that. The video, I think, example we tried was like, this puppy in sunglasses. You can just register with a normal Gmail account and you can do things for free. And it just means like it takes longer for the wait times under the free version. But yeah, you can see that, you'll be in the queue. There's currently 652 images in the queue, so we'll just wait for that to load up. We've got some comments. Join part to excuse the join part, have to reload browser. So I think it's coming back. So this is what we did earlier. So once you generate the image from ClipDrop, you can load it into this other platform called Runway ML. So Runway ML has released their new image to video platform called Gen-2. And Gen-2 allows you to take that AI generated image and turn it into a 4-second video. So what we did with that earlier image of the dog is actually create this 4-second animated image video of the dog just based on that particular image we generated using ClipDrop. So what you can do is that because it's only limited to 4 seconds, you can take the last frame of this video, do a screenshot, and then load it into Runway ML again. So let's just do a print screen. So copy the entire screen. You can then go to, say, Microsoft Paint, create a screenshot of that, paste, do the screenshot, paste, something like that, in, and just do a save as a PNG, whichever. Place that. So what you can then do is then upload that image again to make it continue on. So you click on this image button, you get this drag and drop file, you go and select that image, and that'll load up that image, and then you can create another 4-second video. So let's just let that load. And this is all free to use. You get a certain number of credits. You get about 100 seconds. So that's about, let's say 20 or so videos, 25 videos. But you can always create another Google account, right, just to reset those credits. And so you can see, so it's loaded that image. Now it's generating an AI generated video from that video, from that image. And it takes about a minute. So these are the other Stable Diffusion dog pictures that we just generated out of that prompt. So these sample dogs with sunglasses and some neo-fancy lights. So yeah, you can see Stable Diffusion XL is almost as good as Midjourney now. So you can pretty much have a free version of Midjourney that's almost unlimited. So you take that image, put it into runwayml.com. So I think I pasted this in the chat if you guys haven't checked it out. And let's go into this, paste this in the chat. I'll paste the ClipDrop one as well in the chat so you guys can follow along. And so once that's finished generating, we'll be able to play back another 4-second video. And the idea is that you can just keep on going, right? You can go from 4 seconds to 4 seconds to 4 seconds, and that dog will continue to animate just like you saw in the original video. And this is what you can start to build your own video tools, right? You can turn it into your own stories. I forgot to delete the prompt. You don't need to have a prompt in here. Earlier when we were showing the team, it had like a bee coming through. So I'm not sure we needed that. But let's just try that again. You can see that from that, the dog is a little bit animated, and you can turn that into a little short story. With tools like CapCut. CapCut is a free tool you can use on your mobile. CapCut. So this is something that's easy to download, iOS and Android or Windows. You can just do some easy editing and then send that video across to Telegram for us to upload into our YouTube channel. But yeah, that's basically it. So I think ideally we come up with something that's quite mainstream, right? Things like brands that we understand people associate with. So the South Park was quite popular because the fan base appreciated South Park. We could do every other series, whether it's like Marvel, DC, whether it's sort of, things like Rick and Morty and Futurama, The Simpsons, and actually apply a transhumanist lens to it. So, for example, for the AI South Park one, it was what happens you let AI agents control the entire story. If you let AI agents create the voices of the South Park characters, and then automatically create the entire plot and also the dialogue in that story. So it's like the future of human creativity means that I think Hollywood's jobs are going to be at risk, and people won't need as many people to come up with the plots, as well as the voice acting, as well as the animation. All of that would just go from an individual's idea to then the output of the episode. So I think it's power to the creators, really. I mean, or even the fan base. You'll be able to create your own episodes of your favorite TV shows, right? It's like reanimate like Friends, or like, the Seinfeld, or like new episodes of just about everything that they've already done on Twitch. And so this one's finished loading. You can see I should have just removed the screenshot top bits and things like that, but you can always improve that. And so if you combine this video with what we had earlier, you can just play them back to back and use something like CapCut to string those videos together. But yeah, so idea is chuck that into Telegram. We'll get the community to vote on which one's the best, and at the end of the week, we can select those videos and string them into our YouTube channel and reward the contributors with transhuman coin based on the monetization of that video.